I am your royal reporter, Lord Lancelot, the Royal King of England from HL Health Board CIC. I can say that observing the major disaster that happened by Hurricane Melissa, I have a few concerns that violate human rights, also the Constitution of Jamaica in protection of the people when it comes to public safety and also health and safety and also human rights. Many questions I am raising. One, why weren't there a state of emergency? And also, why after Hurricane Melissa, Category 5, weren't it satisfied enough for the Governor General to declare a state of emergency? And also, with addition to flooding, why also weren't that satisfied enough to declare a state of emergency? You could find the evidence that there weren't a state of emergency right here. Also, the Emergency Powers Acts right here. Also, what satisfy a state of emergency right here. And also, why weren't there preparation under the Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management Act, which has been in place since 1993. You could find it right here. And also, why are the Jamaican government violating the laws of the Constitution of Jamaica when it comes to the fundamental rights to protect the Jamaican people, the protection of inhumane treatment you could find right here. And why there ain't a state of emergency when this is the biggest disaster that ever happened to Jamaica. On the other hand, why yet you will declare a state of emergency to search an area that you might deem very risky for the public, but yet do not declare a state of emergency for the people of Jamaica, the children, the baby, to be safe in this type of disaster. Category 5, not declaring a state of emergency and allowing foreign aiders to come in, foreign private sectors to come in and treat the people without the full accountability of a state of emergency could appear as an invasion. And this is very serious and very high concerns for my people. And why would you not declare a state of emergency? Does that mean that you don't value the Jamaican people life enough to declare that there is a state of emergency where there has clearly been a state of emergency and we're still in a state of emergency? So to my Jamaican people, if you do not like the treatment that the government is providing, and if you think that it is not sufficient enough to save life, you could check the order in council, the Jamaican Constitution, and you could find it here. This is regarding to the Supreme Court. When there are injustice taking place, you could go to the Supreme Court and demand again judgment. Love my royal family. Love my royal family of Jamaica. Again, my royal family of Jamaica. Royalty over nationality. You're royal. Again, you have inheritance. The laws of England protects you all. This is from Lord Lancelot, the Royal King of England, from the ancestral house of Wessex and Mercia.